Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. This is on the LiftMaster, and it is model KE2378. I'm sure this applies to most LiftMasters, most garage door openers. But anyway, I've removed it from the wall. You're going to remove the cover, and then you have a little screw here. I've got this little screwdriver to undo that. So we'll go ahead and unscrew this. And you just slide this back, and there's the battery. You can see that the battery on there is 3 of 2016, so it's way past overdue for being changed. We've got this Duracell. You can pick these up on Amazon or at your local hardware store. This expires March of 2025, and you'll just pull out the battery and remove the positive and negative terminals. Just go ahead and pull that off, and then you'll just go ahead and slide it back onto the terminals, and you can see you've got the larger, the positive terminal, and then the negative, and you just go ahead and slide them back on, put your battery in, slide your case on, and then go ahead and put your screw back in. Very simple procedure. Make sure you get that tight, and there you have it. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.